Hi, dear Aries. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Aries out there, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, for love. This is a general love reading, and we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome till the end of March. Okay, so your partner's energy right now is the Tower. I think your partner is going through a major transformation in their life. I think there was a breakup or there was a separation for sure. There was a separation between you guys, and that is why your partner is transforming into something else. They are trying to heal from this particular situation, and they are right now in the healing zone. That was a very, very shocking event for them, Aries, to be very honest, and that is why they are right now trying to heal from this thing, trying to come out of this negative pattern or negative zone or negative energy. Your energy right now is the star. You are being very, very hopeful. You have two cups in your hand. You are trying to build a soulmate relationship with this person, and you are very, very hopeful about this person's coming back, and you are feeling like yes, no matter how hard it is looking right now, no matter how futile or you can say broken it is right now, things will eventually come out in your favor. This is your energy right now, okay, Aries. And how your partner sees you. Your partner sees you as somebody uh, with whom they feel victorious. They feel if you are in their life, then you are their trophy, you are their gift, you are their victory. Okay, they see you in a very, very beautiful light, very, very beautiful, victorious, successful light. Okay, and how you see your partner right now is the Three of Swords. You feel like your partner is hurting or they hurt you very badly, or there was a third party situation. That is why this relationship broke up. I feel like air is somewhere behind the scene there was a third party situation involved in this relationship, and that is why maybe you guys broke up, but you are very, very hopeful that this person will come out and reach you. Yes, I feel like this. Or if there is no third party situation here, you feel like your partner is deeply heartbroken, they are healing from a situation, they are healing from this breakup thing. Okay, this is what is happening. And how what they feel about this relationship or about you in particular. Your partner's feelings for you right now is the Seven of Wands. So what I feel is your partner feels like you are standing your own ground, and you are being adamant. You are not listening to them, you are not open to the honest conversation and honest communication. You are just stuck on yourself right now. So your partner feels like you are not in the zone of talking to them or communicating with them or letting them come in. Okay, how you feel about your partner, the Fool. You feel like your partner is ready to have a new beginning with you. You feel like deep down you know that your partner will come back to you, and deep down you know that this person, whatever this person did in the past, or if they were in the third party situation, they will eventually come back to you. You are very, very hopeful about this thing, and you feel like yes, your person act foolishly in the past, but now they are wise enough. Now they are healing, and now they will come back to you. Okay, what they want from this relationship is a Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. So Aries, your partner wants to offer you something, some stable relationship, some stable offer of maybe not of commitment right now, but they want to offer you a friendship, maybe a new start, maybe a new beginning for this relationship. Again, I think this relationship was in a very, very bad shape in the past or in the recent past, and you guys broke up. Now your partner is ready to offer you something solid, something stable after lots of ups and downs. And what you want from this relationship, the Hanged Man. You want nothing from this relationship as of now. Right now, till the end of March, I feel like you want to take a step back and analyze everything and try to see each and everything. Try to see this relationship in a new light, in a new perspective. So basically, I feel like right now you don't want anything from this person. You are being hopeful. You are being hopeful. You want them to reach out to you and talk to you. But I feel like you are not taking any kind of step. You are just sitting down and analyzing and wishing and hoping for this person to come back to you. And yes, although they want to offer you something stable, I think the High Priestess is the outcome. I think they're not going to tell you anything about this plan of theirs. They're going to take their own time. They are going to take their own uh, they are trying to gather their own energy, and then they will let you know. But right now I think they're holding back. They're not saying anything to you, and that is why they are planning behind the scene. There's planning going on how to come to you, how to offer you this pentacle, how to offer you the stability that they want to offer you. Okay, the outcome from your side is the Three of Pentacles. What I feel is you feel like there was a third party situation because there are three threes there. So what I feel is it could be you also, that there was a third party involved from your side. So you are leaving the third party for this particular person, but for most of the people there was a third party on their side, and now they are ready to leave the third party, and now you are also ready to put the effort, to put the work to with this particular person, and this relationship to work out in particular. So yes, so I feel like your person wants a new start, a new beginning with you, but I feel like they are not going to tell you anything. They are going to hold back for other maybe other 15-20 days. By the end of March, I feel there will be offer coming to you, but not of commitment or of love or stability. What I feel is, and from your side it is yes, you will say yes to this offer, and you will be ready to put in the teamwork, put in the effort from your side as well, and this relationship will start from ABCD. So it, I feel like this relationship will start from scratch, okay, because there was lots of ups and downs, there were lots of conflicts, lots of high and lows going on in the past. Now this is a new brand, this is a brand new beginning, and this is a brand new relationship with the same person, okay, Riz? So this is what I'm getting through. And the universe, the message from the universe is Ace of Swords. This is telling me that cut out all the negativities, all the toxicity, and come out as a winner, come out as a person who knows what they want in this relationship or in this with a particular person. The Ace of Swords is the card of victory, so it is kind of starting something new, with leaving behind the past, okay. And this is the Four of Wands. So the universe is telling you, if you are ready to start, and if you are ready to have a new beginning with this particular person, this could lead you to a stable relationship in the future, this could lead you to a stable committed relationship in the future. And the Page of Cups, the emotions will eventually come out, and you guys will eventually be on the same page, if you trust your intuition and if you're ready to put in the effort or the work, okay, from your side as well, Aries. So you also have to work on this relationship. This is not like you just have to sit and see what is happening. You also have to put some effort from your side. If this person is coming to you and they're offering you something, if you're ready, you also have to put in the teamwork to make this relationship work out, okay. And the love oracle card is telling me this is a soul connection, this is the soulmates is there, this is the soul connection, this is a partnership agreement, soul contract with this particular person. This is what is your card says, okay. So Aries, this is all about your love life till the end of the March. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it will give you some perspective on this relationship you are going through. So thank you so much for listening. Do subscribe to my channel. Do let me in the comment section below what I can improve in my readings. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you.